How to install a John Deere Snow Blower. John Deere Snow Blowers come as attachments which you can install on most types of John Deere riding lawnmowers and tractors. The snowblower uses the same connections on the mower that are used for the mower deck. When you want to attach the snowblower, you must disconnect the mower deck and install the snowblower attachment. You can install a John Deere snowblower by first making sure you have the proper tools. Things you will need: wrench, socket wrench, V-belt, clevis pin, cotter pin. Place the snowblower attachment in front of the tractor. Turn the tractor on, and adjust the mower lift so that it is in the raised position. Pull the handle for the mower lift to raise it up, and turn the tractor off. Place the mounting frame on the upper part of the snowblower so that it is in line with the tractor frame. Lift up on the rear of the upper part of the mounting frame, and connect it to the tractor frame. Slide the frame onto the bolts that protrude from the tractor frame. Place the V-belt around the drive pulley on the tractor engine. Attach the lower mounting frame to the mounting brackets on the tractor. Insert the clevis pins, and secure them with cotter pins. Check the position of the V-belt so that it is routed around the drive pulleys on the tractor and the pulley on the snowblower. Connect the support control for the snowblower to the side of the tractor to complete the project. Tips: warnings. Make sure the V-belt is tight and that the bolts are securing the snowblower attachment to the tractor. The V-belt has a V shape that allows it to sit properly in the pulleys. A clevis pin has a hole that is used for a cotter pin. You may need to secure older snowblower models to the mounting brackets with a nut and bolt. Refer to the user manual for your particular tractor for detailed instructions. The belt mechanism can vary depending on the model of the tractor or mower.